Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy picture in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the Excel sheets in the from copy. Now click for the new position and insert. Firstly, insert picture. Now click for the insert option. Then click for the picture option. Then insert picture. This picture is the copy. Now click for the picture. Then click for the mouse right button option. Now click for the copy option. Then for copy. Then copy to the any position is the any border. Now for click. Now click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the paste option. That's okay. Then again another border is the copy. Now click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the paste option. That's okay. Then you show the copy picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.